Hey everyone and welcome. If you're looking to move some funds from your US bank account straight over to Cash App so you can send money to friends or spend with your cash card, the process is not that hard. And I'll show you exactly the steps how to connect to your bank and fund your account. So first, we need to securely link your US bank account with your Cash App profile. So open up Cash App, tap the Money tab in the bottom left corner. This will look like a little house icon or your current dollar balance. Scroll down until you see linked banks and tap on it. If you already have a debit card linked, you can select link bank and add your account directly. Cash App uses a secure service called Plaid to handle this connection. Tap continue, select your US bank from the list like Chase, Bank of America, or Wells Fargo, and log in using your normal online banking credentials. This takes just a few seconds and safely connects your checking account to your Cash App. And now that your bank is safely connected, let's actually move the money over. So go back to your Cash App home screen and tap the Money tab in the bottom left again to view your balance. Right under your current total, tap on the Add Cash button. Type in the exact amount you want to pull from your bank account and tap Add. And this is literally all there is to it. Your funds are now ready to use, and because it's a direct bank transfer, which you should choose, it's 100% free. Enjoy as always. Thank you for watching.